The only thing that you should ever need is love. When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. It's the possibility of having a dream come true that makes life interesting. 3. When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too. One is loved because one is loved. No reason is needed for loving. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: the fear of failure. The secret of life, though, is to fall 7 times and to get up 8 times. Tears are words that need to be written. Don't give in to your fears. If you do, you won't be able to talk to your heart. If I am really a part of your dream, you'll come back one day. The 2 hardest tests on the spiritual road are the patience to wait for the right moment and the courage not to be disappointed with what we encounter. There are moments when troubles enter our lives and we can do nothing to avoid them, but they are there for a reason. Only when we have overcome them will we understand why they were there. The world is not a wish-granting factory. The simple things in life are the most extraordinary. Only wise men are able to understand them. No matter what he does, every person on earth plays a central role in the history of the world, and normally he doesn't know it. The secret of happiness is to see all the wonders of the world, and never to forget the drops of water in the sea. The more you are afraid, the more power you give to what you are afraid of. The best way to predict the future is to create it. When you follow your bliss, you put yourself on a path that has no competition, and the world will be a richer place for your presence. The world is a dangerous place, not because of those who do evil, but because of those who look on and do nothing. The most important thing is not to give up on your dreams, no matter how impossible they seem. The journey is the reward. The only way out is through. The universe always conspires in favor of those who dream. The world is not a problem to be solved, but a mystery to be lived. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. The only thing that is impossible is the thing you don't try. The secret of life is to fall 7 times and to get up 8 times. The secret of life is to fall 7 times and to get up 8 times. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. When you follow your heart, you will always find your way home. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. The most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The only regret you'll ever have is not taking the risk. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. The world is a beautiful place, but you have to look for the beauty. The best way to predict the future is to create it. The best is yet to come. The first step is always the hardest.